Oh my goodness, if you're looking for the perfect pistachio cake, this may be the one. Matcha tea buttercream filling, blueberry Bellini syrup, it is so good. Stay tuned if you want to see how to make this delicious cake. Hi, it's Lorelie, and if it's your first time, subscribe and ring the bell if you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories. Start by preparing your pans with shortening and then a dust of flour. Cut waxed or parchment paper to fit. Measure all your ingredients ahead. I listed the ingredients below in the description box. Process 2 cups of pistachios until finely ground. Measure 1.5 cups of the pistachios and put the rest aside for decorating. To a bowl, add 2 1/3 cups of cake flour which has been sifted first and then measured. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add your nuts and stir. To your mixing bowl, add 1.5 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Beat that until it's creamy for about 3 minutes. Add 2 egg yolks. Stir on medium just until mixed in. In a clean mixing bowl, add 4 egg whites, beat until stiff but not dry. Add 3 teaspoons of vanilla or almond extract to 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Add the dry mix in 3 portions to the butter and sugar mixture, alternately with the buttermilk and the vanilla. Scrape the bowl several times throughout and beat after each addition for about a minute. Now fold in your egg whites. About 1.5 cups of batter per 6-inch layer. Bake the cakes at 325 convection or 350 in a regular oven. This recipe makes 6 6-inch layers and a little tester cake. The syrup is made with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, boiled for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I added a dash of Blackberry Bellini syrup, but you can add other flavor syrups if you'd like, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. The cakes are done when they are light golden and they bounce back when pressed or a toothpick comes out clean from the center. You may have to move your cakes around in your oven to assure even baking. I have found that this is necessary in almost every oven I've ever baked in. I have used many over the years, including industrial convection ovens. You still need to move your cakes around and turn them a little bit to make sure that they bake evenly. Once the layers are cooled, wrap them and refrigerate or freeze your cake layers for later use. These are the finished pistachio cakes. Click the end card to see how to layer them together with matcha tea buttercream filling and Blackberry Bellini syrup. And finally, decorating these 2 beautiful and delicious cakes.